favorite farm animal. Ahoy! Hee-ha! Horses are really cool and animals. They are beautiful and lovable. That's why I love them. Horses have 205 bones in their body. They can produce up to 10 gallons of saliva per day. Horses do not have a gallbladder. The brain of the horse is the size of the big potato. Horses have the largest eyes of every animal. Horses have more teeth than female horses. Horses can poop up to 14 times a day. Horses cannot breathe on their mouth, only on their nose. Some people keep horses as their pets. Horses are big animals and not expensive to feed. They eat grass and hay on mealtime. Horses eat fruit and vegetables in snack time too. They also drink a lot of water. There are more than 300 breeds of horses. Quite a lot! There are really cool products from the body parts of horses. What is glue? Hair of a horse can use to make violin bows. We can also create paint brushes using horses' tails. Horses can also sleep while they are standing up. I can't do that. Ha ha ha. People from other countries eat horse meat. But me, I won't live because I love horses very much. About my favorite farm animal, horse. Thank you for watching.